In this quick tutorial, I will show you black and white image adjustment layer in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. You can see I have opened a beautiful bird's image which I have collected from Pixel. So please, I would like to suggest you do not use the adjustment from here. This is black and white. Alt Shift Ctrl plus B is the shortcut. Please do not use the adjustment from here because this is permanent and you cannot go back from the state you acted. So either you can access from it here, adjustment layer, black and white, or from here. This is all the adjustment layer and this is black and white adjustment layer. So this is the black and white adjustment layer and this is its interface. Why? You can see black and white image actually desaturated version of that image. You can see this is colored and this is desaturated image. We can also, now I have added the hue saturation adjustment layer. You can see the saturation slider. If I can turn it to the left side and make it -100, then you can see all the saturation now desaturated the image. So what is the difference? You can see this is hue saturation and this is black and white adjustment layer. This is the difference is very hardly found. So why we use black and white adjustment layer? Because all the colors, you can see the red color is prominently here, also green color and cyan. So all the color is there, although it is desaturated, but all the colors is there. You can easily, if you want to make it darker, red color, make it darker. You can adjust the slider, or lighter, you can adjust the slider. Also you can adjust the yellow color. You can see greenish part. In this way you can adjust the black and white adjustment layer. Also here is few preset. You can see this is green filter, you can use it, check it. This is infrared filter, or this is natural density filter. So you can also use this. Also here is tint option. You can easily add tint to the image. Also here is a slider, master slider. Just click here, and when you click here it will pick it as red color. So if you adjust it, you can easily adjust the red color, red slider from here. Also here is a auto button. You can easily adjust this adjustment layer automatically. So click here and the image will be automatically adjusted with black and white adjustment layer. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.